Hey everyone, this is Carlos from Aguascalientes, Mexico. I've been playing for about 20 years now. I play in a death metal band called From the Grave from Aguascalientes as well. I've been using the 2Bs since 2021. The first package I got, it was 6 pairs of 2B drumsticks from the UK Collision team. They're excellent. Things I love about them, the durability. First of all, I haven't broke any of the pairs that I got since that time. Second thing, they feel really, very well balanced. Both of them feel the same way, so I really love that. I can hit as hard as I can, and oh my god, they feel incredible. Another thing will be the great customer service that they provide. I really recommend them. If you have the opportunity to try them, just don't hesitate. Okay, so 2Bs, Collision, excellent drumsticks. They're awesome. And well, the next video you're about to see, it's a live show video. One of the first shows where I used the 2Bs, the Collision Drumsticks. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Ahora sí, con estas nos despedimos, cabrones. Muchas gracias. A ser desmadre. Muchas gracias, cabrones.